Oh yeah, got it all fixed up, don't you?
Yay!
Are you filming?
Oh, you're holding her underwater. She's gonna drown. Don't hold her
You're
underwater.
gonna have to give her mouth-to-mouth resuscitation.
Look, here's my foot, Madison. That's my foot. Look. Oh. Oh, you went underneath there. Do that again, Mom. Ready, go. Oh. We got him, Madison, on camera.
Do it again.
Do it again. Wow. Wow.
Do it again.
I gotta catch my breath first.
He's gotta breathe. Wow.
He put food in this bucket.
Oh, that's better now. It's like her own little swimming pool.
Her hands.